Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss basic to advanced QGIS for creating a layer and add point. If you want to learn QGIS, so it is very important or basic. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS software for creating a point layer. We go to layer and create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name, point and geometry type point and projection default and OK. Our point layer created. For create a feature, we select layer and we go to toggle editing, highlight it and we select here add point feature and we click here. Here is our point feature. We create. If you want to see table it, you go to open attribute table and here is table but nothing attribute. Here is all table. Here is 10 feature and if you want to information it, so you go to identify and you select it. Here is identify. Here is all layer information. So we create successful layer and point feature. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.